Okay, so let's discuss question from thermodynamics. This is question from IC engine. So an Otto cycle is represented. So let's draw an Otto cycle. So you have a compression followed by compression followed by constant volume heating, constant volume combustion basically, and then the power stroke and then the exhaust stroke basically, right? So this is PV and this is pressure. This is actually V2, the minimum volume which happens at TDC, and this is V1, and this is a scale of volume. Okay, so now what is asked is the mean effective pressure is asked. So the mean effective pressure is basically the net work done in a cycle, okay, by the stroke volume. The stroke volume is the volume which is between TDC and VDC, and that is basically from this figure whatever I have drawn is the total volume which is V1 minus the minimum volume which is V2. So V1 minus V2. Now it is given that compression ratio is given and the work output per cycle is given. So the work output, that is the numerator, is given, but that is in terms of clearance volume, that is nothing but V2 here. So 23.625 into 10 power 5 VC. VC is nothing but V2 because that is the clearance volume, right? So VC is nothing but V2 as per our figure. Okay, and then it is V1 minus V2. So V2, if I divide from the numerator, so that will be into 10 power 5 by V1 by V2 minus 1. Now how do I get V1 minus V2 by 1? Now remember that what is my compression ratio? Okay, now the other thing that is given is the compression ratio, right? The compression ratio is nothing but how much the total volume by the clearance volume. The total volume is V1, that is at BDC, by the clearance volume this is as V2, and this is given as 5.5. so that I can represent it here, right? So this is compression ratio, remember. Okay, so this is 23.625 into 10 power 5 by, okay, by 5.5 minus 1, so that is 4.5 in the numerator. So if I calculate this, I get the answer as 5.37 into 10 power 5. So this is pascals, remember, because it's a mean effective pressure. This is in joules per volume units, so it's pascal, and that is nothing but 10 power 5 pascal is 1 bar, so 5.37 bar is the answer. The answer is A. Thank you.